Welcome back to our channel, Blue Bees. Like we mentioned in the previous video, that we have another rebuild for you guys, which is
our first performance car. It's a luxury car, plus it's got a supercharger. So without wasting any time, let us show you the car.
it is a run and drive car. So let me start it up and let me show you guys how it sounds like. All right, guys. So we just took out the fiberglass from both of the mufflers. Let's go ahead, start it up, and see if it sounds loud and aggressive.
You ready?
Yes, sir. Let's go.
All right. 3, 2,
Two,
1.
one.
Let's go.
Move. Whoa. All right. Rev it up. Woo. Dude, that sounds aggressive and loud.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. But today is gonna be the last day we are driving this car, only because we found a potential buyer who's really interested to buy this car.
Yeah, guys, so it's time to let go of this car. We had lots of fun with it, but it's time to move on to more rebuilds. Keep liking and keep subscribing our channel, and stay tuned for more rebuilds. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.
Peace out.